Welcome to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy. Today, Tricky is preparing chili bajjis, which is made with long green chilies that are dipped in gram flour batter and then deep fried for a crispy finish. It's a popular evening time snack with a cup of tea in many parts of South India, and it's very quick and easy to make. So let's get straight to the ingredients. Note, all the ingredients measured using measuring cups and spoons are leveled and not heaped. Preparation. Wash and dry the green chilies with a kitchen towel. Then slit them on one side, remove the seeds from the inside and set aside. Mix the salt and the cumin seed powder together. Set aside for use in the next step. Rub a little of the prepared salt and cumin seed powder mixture that we prepared earlier to the insides of each chili. Then set aside. Method. Sift the gram flour, also known as besan, the rice flour, salt and baking soda together in a mixing bowl. Sifting helps to remove any lumps that may exist. Add in the carom seeds and coriander seed powder. Add water a little at a time and mix. Continue to add water a little by little and mix until there are no more lumps and the batter forms a thick dropping consistency. Heat oil and add in the hot oil. Mix well and set aside. Having prepared the batter, we are now moving to the next step, where we heat oil in a deep frying pan. We dip the chili in the batter. Wipe off the excess, slightly exposing the green part of the chili on one side. Put one. Gently drop into the hot oil and fry on medium heat until it gets crisp with a golden brown color. Then remove and drain on the kitchen towel. Finally, arrange on a serving plate. Sprinkle chaat masala and serve hot with any side dips of your choice. That's it. I hope you enjoyed watching this recipe. Thank you for stopping by. Do give this recipe a try. Have lots of fun in the process as you toy, and most of all, don't forget to enjoy. If you like this simple and easy recipe, be sure to like, share, comment and subscribe to Tricky's Kitchen, where delicious food is made easy.